Hi, Naptime friends. It's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be doing the Traveling Dutch Challenge created by CBrinley Artistry. I'm going to be using the Liquitex Basics paint in Phthalo Blue, Dioxazine Purple, the Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24K Gold, and Artisan Flow Acrylic in Neon Pink and White. And I mix my paints up 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and be sure to strain your Floetrol. You can see off to the left there's quite a bit of junk in the Floetrol bottle, so you don't want that ending up in your painting. And this is just an 11 by 14 canvas I had flooded with the Artisan Flow acrylic, and that was also mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. So here I'm just going in with my little paper plate, putting on my colors, starting off with the phthalo blue, going in with the dioxazine purple, adding some of that neon magenta, and then the 24K gold. I had never used that 24K gold before, and it's really, really pretty. And then you just flood your little puddle with your white like you would normally. Put your plate up to your canvas, and then blow your paint on. So it is like a really traveling Dutch pour. But look at how awesome these colors go together. And I got my new hairdryer. Yay! It works pretty good for moving the paint around. I got it off Amazon. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. And when I was trying to show you guys how cool the plate looked, and then I dropped some paint on my canvas. I was like, oh man. So I'm just gonna go in and put that paint on there. I decided, well, I'll just add a little bit of color to the sides here. So I'm just gonna blow that out, kind of blend it a little bit. I decided to go in with my lung power and just do a couple puffs of air, just to kind of blend that out a little bit. I wasn't liking, I didn't want my hair dryer to totally push that paint all over. I just wanted to do it controlled. I feel like when you use your lung power, you can kind of control how hard you're blowing better than with the hair dryer. So I just did that in the corner there, and now I'm going to add a little bit more of that blue, some of the Artist Loft white, and a little bit of gold just to kind of balance out this corner down here since I had some color up in the top left corner. Just using my lung power to blow that out. But look at all those pearls showing up from the 24K gold. Very, very pretty. So be sure to check out CBrinley Artistry's video. She is the creator of this technique and she made the challenge. So for all my friends who do fluid art on YouTube, or if you're new to fluid art, I encourage you to give this technique a try. It's a lot of fun, and in your video be sure to hashtag Traveling Dutch Challenge, so that way when the hashtag is searched up on YouTube, it'll show up. I'm just going to add a couple more little puddles of paint here and blow those around and then call this one done. I really, really like how this turned out. I feel like if you put 2 of them side by side, it kind of would look like angel wings if you blew them at the right angle. That would be really, really pretty. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do to this one. I'm going to leave it and see how it turns out when it's all dry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and be sure to check out CBrinley Artistry's channel. It will be linked down below. And if you want to join the challenge, use the hashtag Traveling Dutch Challenge. Bye guys, I'll see you on Friday for another video.